Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the second Let's Play of the series. Hope you guys enjoy this one. I have to do some stuff, like get another panda for Timothy. Seemed quite lonely to make them go. Yeah, just that's in the inventory or what? Minecraft fun, right, Jaden? Just inventories are in Minecraft. Yeah, but that's it. We have to go. Jaden, where are you? We have to go back to my house. Wait, is this like an apartment complex? That's pretty snazzy. Jaden, you're actually. I just saw your name tag. No, I'm in these stupid bushes. These things are so annoying. We should actually just talk. Sure, she retarded. I can see your shadow. Did you encroach or something? Okay, I don't know. I'm retarded. Why is this game audio not working? I have so much These trident tweers are actually so annoying. Okay, let's get out of here, Jaden. Get on my little boat. This is like this is a top quality yacht. Come to like the beach, like the sand island right here. You're not even by my yacht. You're way too far away from my yacht to understand how great it is. I'm leaving without you. You have to get it. You have to. I don't even think that my audio is picking your voice up, Jaden, because you're in Discord. Mm. I'm gonna take the secret route real quick into my snazzy little house here. So what we want to do. Oh, I did get all the. We have to do. Oh, you know what I want? I don't want to, because I have to leave. This is gonna be like a short video, and I don't want to. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. There we go. I don't want to go all the way into the biome, the jungle biome, because it takes like 10 years, whatever it's called. And this is some quality content, just walking around, you know. This is why I get my -3 subscribers. Where's my house? I also wanted to make a garbage, quote unquote garbage. I have to take lava and not make the mistake I did last time by burning everything in my house down. Okay, here we go, right here. So this is gonna be, I don't know. Yeet. Where is this? You just found out there was lavas, Jaden? Did I say lavas? I have autism. Wait, I can't do this here. I'm stupid. Alright, alright. No, don't have enough room in inventory. Like that. What do I need to do? Stop making fun of Timothy. He's a solid guy. No, right here. Um, yeah, I murdered you with potatoes, Jaden. Who be calling my video trash? That was hurtful. Eat up, Timothy. I just can't stop admiring my beautiful waterfall. It's time to slaughter some pigs! No, I don't want it on my chicken farm. No, I don't. Cool beans. I already have a pig farm. This is pretty cool. I'm actually so happy right now. This is the best thing in the world. Just gotta get that solid meat there. Let's see you slaughter pigs up in here. Even the babies. Oh, there's only What do I not need? Potatoes. Eat up. Alright. I think, what else do we need to do? Okay, these are almost done. We gotta do like this. We have to, I wanna need another panda, and I also want a bird. Birds are cool. Bucket. I don't know. I have to empty my inventory. Alright, so hey, make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and leave a like and comment, please. I would much appreciate the support. Alright, what do we have? I asked that. Oh right, I made another chest here. Okay, boom, boom, boom. I wanna redo our swimming pool, sort of, and make it like redo the bottom here, so I can have like a nice swimming pool actually, which would be nice. Alright, so I think that's gonna wrap it up for now. In next episode, I'm gonna redo my whole fountain / pool, whatever it is, and then I'm gonna probably go to the jungle biome to get another buddy for Timothy. Alright, see you guys.